Remember to hit that thumbs up. Remember that. Welcome to Cooking with Paxton with my assistants, Walla the Wizard.
Hello.
And Chris. Hi. Today we're gonna teach you how to make roasted vegetables. We've got to use celery, carrots, onions,
Olive oil.
zucchini, potatoes.
3 knives for each of us.
I teleportated. Okay, first thing you want to do is if you have hair, tie your hair back and wash your hands. Remember to use soap. Teleportation. Okay, so today we are making roasted nothing. So I'm gonna start with the potatoes. So I'm gonna peel potatoes and cut them.
I'm gonna do carrots.
Silas will cut the carrots. Silas will cut the celery. That's me.
You want to make everything about the same size.
Cut, 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 cut. It's slowly and painfully dying. It's good protein. First one done. Got my celery. I'm cutting onions. I'm doing zucchini. Yep. So we are going to cut those up now. We're bringing the compost to chickens and the compost. Chicken food to the chickens. Here we go. There we go. And zucchini. There you go. They're very happy. Just gonna chuck that out there just like this. There we go. And it's empty. Now we're gonna go continue the video. Heat your oven to 400 degrees. Put your vegetables in. Then 15 minutes before you take the vegetables out, put your peppers in. To 35 to 40 rosemary. Rosemary. Yum, 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 yum. Now we gotta mix it up. Mix. Then we gotta put more rosemary.
Why are you putting it all on that part?
Because you're mixing it up. There's the rose. 475 degrees in the oven. And remember to put oven mitts on. Tip, clean up every 10 minutes.